Hello, today we will guide you through how to edit Pi on Trading 212. In this walkthrough, we'll focus on getting to the Pi controls and making clean, confident changes to the companies or ETFs inside your Pi. Think of a Pi as a basket of investments split into slices. Editing your Pi lets you add new symbols you want exposure to, or remove ones you no longer need, while keeping your portfolio organized. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Trading 212 web app. Using the web interface makes it easy to see all options clearly on one screen. Once the platform loads, look toward the top of the interface for the Pi icon. It looks like a small pie chart and takes you straight to the Pi's area where you can manage or build portfolios. From here, select New Pi. This opens the Pi Builder view, which is also where you'll be able to access editing tools. Even if your goal is to modify an existing setup, this area provides the structure and options you need to adjust what's included in your Pi. Next, move to the Holdings section. Holdings display the symbols that make up your Pi, along with their slices. Reviewing this view first is helpful because you can confirm what's currently inside your Pi and see what might need changing before you proceed. Now choose Edit Pi. This is the control that unlocks modification mode. You'll notice that elements become interactive and you can update what's included. This is the safe space to make adjustments without affecting anything until you confirm. To add something new, select the Add option. A symbol is typically a stock or ETF identified by a ticker. You can search by company or fund name to find what you're after, then include it in your Pi. As you add, keep an eye on how your Pi composition shifts so your overall allocation still matches your plan. If you need to tidy things up, use Remove to take a symbol out of the Pi. This is helpful when you want to reduce overlap, simplify your holdings, or move away from positions that no longer fit your strategy. Removing a symbol streamlines the list and helps keep your Pi focused. As you make changes, take a moment to review your selections and ensure they reflect your intended diversification and risk level. Small, thoughtful edits can go a long way toward keeping your portfolio aligned with your goals. That's it. Access the Pi's area, open the builder, review your holdings, enter edit mode, and add or remove symbols as needed. Thanks for watching, and feel confident refining your Pi with these steps.